Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you don't already know, it's your girl Nigella Bay. If you're new, please like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video with all your friends. As you can see in the title below, today is going to be a hair tutorial video, but not only is it a hair tutorial video, we are doing a collaboration with Niawigs, and we are doing their tape and extensions. Obviously, they're curly hair. Yes ma'am, but this is my first collab and I'm super excited, super thankful that Niawigs is letting me be able to be a part of what they have created and what they're trying to showcase. But guys, their hair is really amazing. The tape-ins are really amazing. I love everything about them. They stick real good, they curl real good if you're getting curly hair. So guys, if you like what this style is giving, if you like what it's giving, please stay tuned for this video to see me installing my tape-ins and showing you a couple of styles. Let's do it. Got our Niawigs here. I'm gonna open it on camera for you guys to see. So we're just gonna pull this off. Okay. And when you open it, this is what it looks like when you open it. You got the bag of hair. We're gonna get into that in a second. And then they gave us some clips. Let's open this. So they gave us some clips, 2 clips. And they also gave us some of these, I think those are like dividers. So like when you're trying to get into a certain section, you just use these to pull your hair back. So we got some of those. Then we also got some extra tape. So when I want to reinstall them, they look like they also got some more dividers. Okay, but these are some extra tapes for the hair, and then we got some more dividers. So therefore we got 4 dividers all together. We got that, and then some more tapes in here. Then we got the dry glue removal solution. So they provided me with the removal solution for the tape-ins when I'm ready to take them out. And they also just have some papers in here, but we're gonna go into the bag. They provided me with a 20-inch and an 18-inch. So let's look at the 20-inch. And we got some curly hair because you know your girl's hair is curly. So this is 40 tape-ins of curly. It's giving. It's soft. It's bouncy. You got 40. And then they also provided us with 18. Okay, and it's 40-18 as well with the tapes. This is them next to each other, 18 and 20. Okay, so altogether we have 80 tape ins. I probably won't use all of them, but it doesn't matter because I'm finna look good. But I'm going to section off my hair and then I'm gonna come back and let you guys see. So I just sectioned off the hair. Let me show you how to section it off. I took these 2 pieces in the front right here. Then I took this piece in the back right here. Then I put these 2 pieces on the side, and all those pieces right there will not get tape-ins in it because that's gonna be the hair that's covering the tape-ins, but it's also gonna be hair covering the tape-ins in the inside. But you know you gotta section that off to where you put the tape-ins in. But now it's time to put the tape in, so let's do it. So I'm gonna go in, grab this first piece of hair. I'm gonna grab my 20-inch tape in. And with these, you know you have to use 2 for 1 installation. So you take the tape off. That's the sticky part. At that point, you just part it. And you want to go in right underneath. Right underneath right there. You're gonna grab that second tape. Not the sticky, but the sticker that's on top of the sticky. Then it'll be a sticky layer. And you'll find that piece you just had, that you just placed in. You will get this one. And you will layer this right on top of this one. And then after I see that I layered it, I'm gonna get my straightener since it's hot, and I'm going to put it on top of that sticky just to make sure it's heated down. And that is our first tape. Let's do another one. So we're gonna go in back here, grab another piece, put this one to the side. Then we wanna grab another tape. Remove the sticker. And we're gonna place that sticky part right underneath the hair. Then we're gonna grab another one right above that first one. So you're sandwiching your real hair in the middle of it. After that, we get our straightener. Where is it? And you make the tape stick together. I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna finish the rest. Bring that ass over, does you bring it back. I'm a big dog tryna eat the kitty cat. I'ma slide in the way it fit. I can tell we match. All up on my racks, hella cheese. I don't put rats. Big crib in Hollywood, I don't even that. Come relax, let it attack. Cause you wanna act. Take a look with the pop, wipe the pain away. You see, and it's tighter than a virgin, like McDonald's say. I love when you give it, and I love when you don't. Hit me with the grease, and sometimes you won't. Tell me don't. With no dish, you know. You got it, yeah, you got it, baby. Bust it on the floor. I keep it juicy, I eat that lunch. She keep that booty, booty. She keep that pump. That is beauty, yeah. If you could see it from the front, wait till you see it from the back. Back, till you see it back, back, till you see it from the back. Back, till you see it from the back. If you could see it from the front, wait till you see it from the back. He need that up and need the thighs. He eat that up and in the night. He see that in the dark and in the right. He keep it running like a pump. He need her up and need the thighs. He eat that up and in the night. He see that in the dark and in the right. He keep it running. I eat that lunch. She keep that booty. She keep that pump. That is beauty, yeah. If you could see it from the front, wait till you see it from the back. Till you see it back, yeah. Now I'm going to go in and I'm gonna unbraid the pieces that I already braided, and we're gonna see how it look, and I'm gonna see if I need to put some anywhere else. Spray on it. I'm gonna spray it down.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be away from education. There's nothing. And I'm feeling all in now. You're in my life. It's cold. I don't know why you love me.
Okay. Okay, Niawigs, I see you. You're giving body to the hair. I see you. I'm really trying to drench it because I want to see how it dries. Plus, my natural hair isn't wet underneath, so. This is the finished look, guys. Doesn't it look so freaking good? And blended in like with my hair, my natural hair, really good. I went ahead and I slicked that down with some gel and I did my edges. But this is just it down. It is giving what it was supposed to give. It's giving. You can also throw it up. Hold on. You can also throw it up in a ponytail. Look at that. Just imagine that was Vixen. But you can throw it up in a ponytail and it's still freaking cute. You can wear it down. You can, oh, you can put it in a slick back like this. A little slick back. A little slick back movement. You can do that. You can also do a half up, half down. Let's see. if I can. Of course I would do it better when I actually did it, but you do a half up, half down look without the tape showing. But I really like it down like this, like I had it before with this pushback. And I also really like the slick back, but I love this hair and get into it. If you're not getting this hair, then what are you doing? Because you need to go and be getting this hair right now. Why are you still watching? Go get your hair. Anyways, if you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. If you want to know where I got everything, please look in the description box below. You will also find my code where you'll be getting some percentage off. So girl ahead, girls, go save your money. Period. The link below, and I'll be linking the hair that I personally got. But they also have a lot of options. So if you like straight hair, kinky hair, any of that, they got it for you. Bye, guys.